Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel, and today we are going to learn how to create Jet2 Holidays account. So let's get started. So if you want to create your Jet2 Holidays account, what you can do is just open up a browser. You can choose any browser you like, and after opening up your browser, in search bar you can search for Create Jet2 Holidays account. After searching for that, you will come up to this page, and over here you can tap on this option which says how do I create a my Jet2 account. Now after tapping on that option, now you can tap on account, which is on the top left corner of your screen, and after tapping on account, in top you can find sign in or create account option. Just tap on that option, and after tapping on that option, now you have to enter an email address. After entering an email address, just tap on continue. Now you have to verify your email address, so tap on send verification, and now you will receive a verification code on this email address. You can see I have received a verification code. Just open this email and then copy this verification code and paste it over here, and then tap on verify. After verifying your email, now you have to create a password for your my Jet2 account. After creating a password, just tap on continue. After tapping on continue, now you have to tap on continue again. And after doing this, you have successfully created your Jet2 account. So that's it guys, this is how to create your Jet2 Holidays account. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any doubts, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.